It's been James here, back with another video. And today I want to talk to you about 5 myths stopping you from making big money with affiliate marketing. So on this video, guys, I want to quickly go through this with you and just let you know there's certain myths around affiliate marketing online, with affiliate marketing training as well. And I want to go through this very simply and easily to lay it out for you so you can see maybe where you're going right and where you're going wrong. So just for starters, the 5 myths. I constantly get people coming up to asking me for help. And when I speak to them, I instantly realize the reason they're not successful is that they followed a lot of wrong people who set them up for unrealistic expectations. It's my belief that anyone can be successful with their realistic expectations, work ethic, and they remain consistent until they get results. Okay, so if you want to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, it all starts with how you think and what you believe. Get marketing is easy. So we hear this a lot. Hands down, one of my favorite business models because it's one of the most easiest business models to start, and the learning curve is much easier than most businesses. Now, that doesn't mean it's easy. Every single business that you'll start will have a learning curve, skills you need to develop, and you must remain consistent long enough to get results. Now, if you start with, I'm going to give it a shot, or if I don't make money in 30 days, I'm quitting, then you're doomed from the start. Many people online portraying that you can get rich overnight, and this is complete BS. Many people buy into that they can get rich quick without any skills or knowledge, and this is why they fail. If you dedicate yourself for 6 to 12 months, you can be making more money than a doctor. It's so true. But sadly, most people quit after 30 days because they don't have the work ethic to stick at it. They've been sold a lie online that you can simply push a couple of buttons and make money within the first few days or weeks. It saddens me to see how many people could make big money, but they continue to buy a push button system thinking they'll get fast results. Now, myth number 2, you can make 10K in 30 days. Now, this touches on what I've said, but there are many courses and people telling you that you can make 10K in your first 30 days. This is not just realistic, but if you're starting from scratch and have no skills that you have to learn, master the basics before you can go fast. Okay, there's a learning curve for everything. Every single person you see had to learn the skills, work through the challenges, and remain consistent to get the results they have. As mentioned above, in the 6 to 12 months, you can be making that type of money. But what most people fail to see is that it took that person 6 months to work to make 10K in 30 days. Once you truly understand this and stop looking for a secret method, software, or automate everything for you, or someone to do all the work, then you'll be able to take control of your business and make the money you really want. Once I switched my mind from trying to shortcut success to doing the work daily, I went to making nothing from 40K in just plus a month in just 6 months. So when I say it just takes 6 to 12 months, I'm speaking to you from experience. You can't shortcut success no matter how hard you try. There is a reason I teach people to make 3 to 5K per month income in 90 days because it's more attainable for the aim. I've had many students to do that. Once they crack the first goal, it triggers their belief system and they can scale as big as they want and go with what they remain consistent. Myth number 3, you can make money and zero skills or knowledge. With zero skills or knowledge. Let's have a look. Affiliate marketing requires you to do a lot less work than most business models because you're recommending other people's products. Okay, that's what it's about. With that being said, you still need to learn the basic skills like generating leads, creating content that speaks to your perfect customer, and you need to help the potential customer see value in the product you're trying to recommend. This is not hard, but it does require you to learn and consistently get better if you want to excel and make lots of money online. There is no business you can just sign up, learn a few things, and make lots of money. You know, we all wish that existed. Business is more about self-growth and increasing your skills, and it's a lot less about making money. To make lots of money, you have to increase the value you can add to the world. Okay, it's your value. To increase your value, you can add to the world by constantly learning so you can help serve other people. Most people stop learning the day they graduate school. Learn to love the process of learning. Challenge yourself with new skills. Help each other problem solve their problems by guiding into products that can help them. When I struggled to make money, my only focus was to make money, and I hated learning new things. And we all start off that way. Once I learned to humble myself, become a student again, and truly enjoy the process of getting better at the skills I was learning, then I started making money effortlessly. Myth number 4, you need a big audience to make lots of money. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. Most people think you need a big audience to make lots of money. This also, they also think you need to invest a lot of money into paid ads to build audience. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't need a big audience to make lots of money. You need a targeted audience of people interested in what you're selling. By the time I had an audience of 2,000, I was making 2 to 4K a month. I know other online marketers with just 1,000 people make 10K a month, because it's not about the size of the audience, it's about the quality of their audience. You can build an audience of 1 or 2K people on Facebook in a few months if you want. You can consistently show up and do the work. Once you have the audience, you need to create the content that speaks directly to them and how you can solve their problems. When you do this, with that little small audience, you can make a full-time income. Now, guys, that is so true, and it's proven to be true. I've proven it true, others and many others. Number 5, myth number 5, you need results or social proof to make money online. This is one of the biggest myths people believe. Most people think you need results before people will buy through your link. If you think about this, it's impossible for that to happen. You can't make money if you don't sell anything. No one starts with results. Everyone starts at ground zero. You get your first sales by playing the role by the relatable beginner. You invest, you learn, you teach what you learn. This attracts people to you. It makes them value that what you have to say, and it makes them want to learn from you. Okay, it's a very, very done for you process that many of the successful ones use. Then once you start building like the know, like, and trust factor with your audience, they will open up by checking out what you have to offer. Don't make it more complicated than it is. I was a digital nobody and I'd been using this process from day one. I still use the same process today. It took me years to come across this. If you focus on just learning a little bit more about sharing what you learn and become more and more attractive to your audience, people start purchasing products that are your recommendations. Eventually, your results you can leverage and things can get much easier because you have credibility. Very key, very key. But everyone starts at ground zero, and you have to start with and remain consistent until you create your own. All it takes is a commitment to learning, applying, and to getting better as you go. You will never get things perfect. I'm still messing things up to this day. I'm still making mistakes. I truly believe if you don't quit on yourself, you'll be willing to stick with it, and you can do as good as I have done, even better. Things are much easier and things happen much faster now because of all the resources we have available at our fingertips. So guys, I hope this has helped you and really enlightened you that this business is real and it can change your life, but it takes work just like any business. Commitment and focus, just like anything. If you're willing to put the time in and you work, you can change your life and provide an amazing life for you and your family, just like I have. So guys, if you've enjoyed this today, learning about these 5 myths around affiliate marketing online and affiliate marketing training, whatever line of business you're in online, I hope this has added something to you today and shone a light on areas. I certainly know about the hard yards. I certainly know about what it's like to have days where you just want to give it all up and throw the towel and you think, what's the use? But there's certain aspects and certain things you just have to keep doing if you want to get those results. And I really hope that your why is big enough, why you're involved, why you decided to get online and started to create this kind of other income that will eventually be a passive type income in the background that will work for you just about on autopilot. What's your why? Why did you get involved? Was it a personal thing? Was it that you don't want to work in a 9 to 5 job anymore? Did you want to quit your job? Was it family that you wanted to help? Was it a noble cause? Was it helping charities and giving to organisations or starting your own organisation and up? What was your why? Because that's what's going to keep you going through this whole thing. On your good days, your bad days, and your days where you just think, why even bother? So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, ring the bell, like, please comment below and tell me about some of your struggles. Tell me about some of your successes in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.